Hi there, it's AJ here, and I'm going to do a couple of quick videos 101 type on the stripes template that you can find in Site Designer Gallery. This first one will be about the structure of the template, because if you understand how it's built and created, then you're going to be able to get the best out of it. The second one is for those people that already have a website with perhaps a number of pages and you'd like to transition to a stripe template, but you don't want the bother of having to put all your content into a stripe straight away. Well, I have the answer for that, so if you watch the second video after watching this one, I'll show you how. Probably the best way to understand the structure of one of these templates is to look at this graphic that I've created. Now, the white rectangle with a red border represents the page wrapper that stretches from one side of your monitor screen to the other in a stripe template. It's 100% width. Now, inside that is the content column, which is represented by this rectangle with the black border. That's also 100% width. So any content that's placed into that is not in a stripe will stretch full width of the page. Basically the same as any of the full width templates that you've got. But the stripes sort of add an extra element to things, and there's always 3 stripes in these templates, so I'll just pop these on the page. I put a blue border on them just to show where they are, and these stretch the full width of the page as well. However, they also have a liner inside them, a stripe liner, and the main purpose of that is to constrain any content that you put in the stripe to whatever width this liner is set to. Usually that'll be somewhere around 1000 or 1080 pixels, something like that. So if you put content into a stripe once you've put it on the page, then it's going to sit in there like so. And if you put any content onto the page that is not in a stripe, it's going to sit there full width. Okay, so that's the basic construction for a stripes template. 3 stripes that go into your content column. You can put as many of each one on a page as you want to. Generally one of them is set to a transparent or white background to match the main page color, which is the stripe one up the top here, and the other 2 you would keep as what I suppose you'd call feature stripes. You put a background color or a background image and use them for featured sections of your page. Hopefully that's some help with understanding how they're constructed, and in my next video I'm going to look at ways that people with an established website can transition to using a stripe. If you enjoyed this video, then you can subscribe to my channel and click this icon to get notified about new videos. And of course, a thumbs up is always appreciated. Thanks for watching.